Hello friends, in this video I'm just going to explain how to change your race number in Dirt 5. Whether it can be Xbox, PlayStation and PC. So go to Garage on the home page. So here come to Profile, press Options. So here you can see this race number. So I have set 26. You can number what you want. 25, 11, number 1, number 2 like that. Also you can change the background, just press R1 and move to the next tab so that you can set it here. So that's it friends, this is the way you can set the race number in Dirt 5. This is the quick tips. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in video form. Thank you. Bye friends and take care.